Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
What are we doing now with all of our own luggage?
This is the CHEETAHs. For some reason we've had to put them in economy. I feel very bad about that. They should have been upgraded to first class. However, it really fits in better in economy. So I hope they understand that they are the VICs here, very important CHEETAHs, but they did have to go to economy on this occasion. Next time we'll upgrade them. So there's also a business class upstairs, which we are currently sitting in, and we're about to land into India now. We're here at the other four CHEETAHs. We're getting some noises out of this CHEETAH. He's obviously waking up. And back here we have the spares. This is such a mission-critical mission that we actually took spare wheels with us, because the most likely way to ground a 747 is a tire.